At precisely 1:59 a.m. on Sunday the 25th of May 2025, South Western Railway officially returned to public ownership. But the first nationalised train wasn't a train at all. It was a replacement bus service. Engineering works led to the cancellation of the 2:27 a.m. Guildford to Waterloo service, making the 5:36 a.m. from Woking the first scheduled departure. However, due to ongoing repairs, passengers had to switch to buses partway through their journey. This moment marks the beginning of the government's ambitious plan to bring Britain's railways back under public control, aiming to improve services and accountability. Yet, it also raises questions. Will nationalisation lead to better reliability and affordability, or are we revisiting the challenges of the British rail era? What do you think? Is this the dawn of a new era for UK rail, or just a nostalgic return to the past? If you found this insightful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on Britain's rail transformation.